Hello, my name is Aaron Plowman, and today I will be teaching you about bears. Bears are very solitary animals, only being found with their cubs in the wild. Bears are members of the Ursidae family and are split into Ursinae, known informally as real bears, and the two subspecies, Ailuropodinae and Tremarctinae. The first bear we'll talk about is the brown bear, commonly known as the grizzly bear. The brown bear is widespread in forests and mountains of North America, Europe, and Asia. Brown bears are also the most intelligent bear, according to the National Library of Medicine, having the highest brain-to-body mass ratio of any carnivore. They are so smart that they often use tools to itch themselves. Because they are so smart, they usually only attack out of self-defense, so your best bet would be to lay down. The next bear we'll talk about is the Asian black bear, also known as the Aztec or moon bear. Asian black bears are found in forests of Eastern Asia, particularly in hilly or mountainous terrain. One interesting thing about these bears is their tendency to build nests in trees. Asian black bears actually spend more than 50% of their lives in the tree line, earning them the title of the best climbers of their family. Another interesting thing about the Asian black bear is the mark on their chest is unique to every bear like a fingerprint, but unfortunately these bears are hunted by humans, often leading them to be especially aggressive. The polar bear. Polar bears live on the sea ice of the Arctic Circle, where they make dens for their homes. The Arctic where they live is actually named after them, translating to land of bears in Greek. According to World Wildlife, polar bears are the largest terrestrial carnivore by weight, weighing up to 1,400 pounds, that consists largely of thick layers of body fat covered with an insulating coat of clear fur. The sun bear. Rarest of all bear species, the sun bear can be found in the lowland forests of Southeast Asia. They are also the smallest bear, about the size of the large dog, weighing only around 150 pounds. But despite their small size, they still have the longest tongue of any other bear for eating insects. Next, the sloth bear, also known as the honey bear, lives in predominantly lowland areas of India. The sloth bear diet consists mostly of insects, which they suck up using a gap between their two front teeth. The most common of all bears, the American black bear, is found all throughout North America. Despite their name, black bears come in a variety of colors including white, blonde, and brown. It's important to know that if you come across one in nature, the North American Bear Center says that the best thing to do is fight back, as American black bears are afraid of confrontation. The Andean bear. The Andean bear, known widely as the spectacled bear for its glasses-like appearance, is part of the short-faced subspecies of bears, Tremarctinae. They are found throughout the cloud forests of the Andes, where they get their proper name. They are also the only bear found on their continent of South America. Last but not least, panda bears live in the mountainous regions of central China, where broadleaf coniferous rainforests are dense with bamboo, the plant that makes up 99% of this bear's diet. Pandas also curiously have an extra finger, having 6, where other bears only have 5. Thank you for listening to my speech on bears, and I hope you learned something new.